Okay, I got me an Oreo Blizzard on TikTok from Dairy Queen. Y'all know the Oreo Blizzard is a classic. Yeah. Mm-hmm. They ain't have nothing new. They ain't have nothing new. I was looking for something new for Valentine's, but I reckon they got their Valentine's stuff out. I reckon. Mm-hmm. Maybe I was ready for some Valentine's stuff. I sure would. Mm-hmm. I would. Mm-hmm. Look at that blizzard. Mm-hmm. Y'all, run over there to Dairy Queen get chocolate. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Mm. Y'all, it is hot today too. Y'all, it is hot today. I was like, God damn, it's hot today, y'all. Mm-hmm. It's hot today, but I love it. I love me some heat, y'all. I love some heat. Mm-hmm. Y'all been seeing her tennis blizzard up. Look at her. Mm. People want to think I'm crazy. I got 2 phones going, filming me. You know, I'm saying, who that? Who is that? I'm a celebrity. People be treating me like I'm a celebrity sometimes, but I'm not no celebrity, girl. Mm-hmm. Woo! Mm-hmm. That's good.